Just so work knows, I am here. And I'm sorry guys that the video is starting like this, that you missed the hour drive, but you didn't miss much. I've been broke down again today. I'm doing a city job. Because we just now figured out what was wrong with my baby. What was wrong with my truck is that I run my Jake brake 24/7. I'm not a mechanic. I don't remember everything that he explained to me. But the mechanic said that a valve got stuck or something in the open position, so it's always trying to shut itself down now. So it's and that's why it's doing that, because it'll try to get going, but it's cutting off cylinders because it's left open. I knew this is what was gonna happen. I came here to get a truck wash, and it's a decent Saturday. It's about 54 degrees. It's laundry after this. I've also cleaned some of my truck. The black part right here, that was fully black or white. Now it's not. I'm just happy I'm not the only crazy one that's doing truck maintenance. You know, I was expecting a heck of a lot longer line than that. That guy must be really, really, really bored. He keeps messing with this semi. We're up here almost at the front now. And also, I find it funny how a pickup truck is at a semi-truck wash. We're finally at the front of the truck wash. Only took almost 2 hours. Hopefully you guys can see. There you go, now you can. The driver is back there nitpicking the workers. So this side's taking a lot longer than that side. I guess that driver keeps nitpicking, because they're in here washing me now. I don't know what his deal is. We're finally done, so let's see how it looks. It's like they progressively get worse. We're at the laundromat doing some very much needed laundry. We're done at the laundromat. Got all my clothes washed and folded and put away. Now it's time to go eat. I think I forgot to record eating at the corner cafe. I find it mind-boggling how I had 35 subscribers and now I'm down to 34. Oh well, only the strong survive. But that's gonna end today's video. Not the best day, but tomorrow should be better, about 11 hours of driving. But thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you tomorrow.